guys, it's Tyler, and you probably know if you already watched my vlogs, but I'm gonna go to see what I can do right now. I'm gonna go walk through the woods, and then I'm going to use my air horn, and I'm gonna message some people, but right now, so yeah, and what else? I mean, I hope you guys like the intro I posted yesterday. I'm gonna try and do daily vlogs, but if I don't, it's either because I'm not able to do anything that day because I'm 14, or because like I'm busy with school and I need to get my work done first, like, which is important to me. So or maybe because like I don't know, like I don't have something good enough to like post to you guys, and it's just like not what I value. Like, it's not up to my standards to show you guys because I want you to see all the banger clips, all the cool stuff. So let's go see what we can do right now. See you in a minute. So guys, I want to practice get right now. So let's get real quick. This is Brandon. Welcome to the vlog, Brandon. Got him. Alright, yeah, guys. Alright, guys, it's official. The air horn is officially dead. So we're gonna have to junk that. So, yeah. Let's get it with some trick shots. LeBron James ain't all of that today. Alright. You know what? We're gonna get it though. Or not, we'll see. Nice! We got that. Alright, let's go. I'm in like a big neighborhood. So I'm right in a few minutes, I'm gonna be like, Susie, where the fuck are you? I don't want to do it right this second, there's really no one here. But let's see, I'm just looking. Give me a minute. Whatever, I don't see no one. But there's probably someone out there that'll hear me. So, I'm not sure. Susie! Where the fuck are you? Alright, we out. I'm about to run. So I'm back at the little slide thing. So I'm gonna use this slide and take it all the way to my house. Alright guys, I just got back. And I'm gonna see you tomorrow, I guess. I'll see what I can do. Alright, later.